I want to clean this fridge out and deep clean it. I don't even know the last time we cleaned it. Possibly never. So we only lived here like a year-ish. But I'm gonna put some silicone liners on so it's easy to wipe. Let's get it done. This is real life. Working mom and dad. Sorry, but all I see is stay-at-home moms doing this. So, and I'm not a stay-at-home mom. I have an over-hour commute. So does my husband. So we don't have a lot of time to do this. And we keep having bad luck because my husband, right now, my break is being replaced by my father-in-law. Keep having things happen. My grandma-in-law is coming to watch the kids, or like basically play with them while we clean. But my husband right now is, I always deal with something like every single weekend, but I'm taking everything out because we just went grocery shopping. So before I put more food in here, I want to deep clean everything, get everything organized for the week. Today is Sunday, so I want to get everything done before the week starts so that it is not as crazy or crazier than it usually is. So I'm taking everything out. Luckily, do plastic free, but I'm using these Bella Torre or whatever Terre cloths, and then just some Honest cleaner. And then I'm just gonna spray everything down. Let it sit a little bit, which I usually don't do. You'll usually do that. Like, let me know. Do you guys actually let your cleaner sit there? We still need to clean these, but progress. We wiped all these down. This is just like glue and whatever. But yeah, I moved this down so we could fit everything, but I put all the liners on. So we have like the milks, like, well, we have like the beverages, non-dairy milks, juice, wine, garlic, dips, sauces, jams, bread, fruit, and miscellaneous things right now. One veggie, we have a lot of frozen veggies. And I have our Misfits coming. And then we have like the non-dairy cheeses, oatmeal, cream cheese, dips, yogurt, vegan cheeses, vegan Cool Whip, and then tempeh tofu. Yeah, I think it looks really nice. We are descaling the Keurig right now. Descaling the Keurig and washing everything, spraying everything down. Pretty gross. We're eventually gonna get like a little coffee bar, but right now that's what I'm doing. Just wiping everything down, cleaning all the parts. I don't like this being over here, especially near the stove because it gets hot. I know, puppy. Stains out of clothes using this Kids and Pets stain remover. I love this thing. It's the only stain remover I've seen that actually works. You gotta really saturate the stain. So, I got my dog here. Getting her done. My children really get the most stains out of any kid ever. This was actually my little shirt as a kid. That fits Livy. I wish I had this for Aria, but I didn't. I used to wear this shirt over and over and over. Like 30 years old. Still going strong. Gymboree. Thick material. My mom loved Gymboree.